Hey guys, it's Mark and welcome to another episode of My Kiff Life. I'm so excited. Hey! What's going on? What are you guys doing? Hey! Hey! What are you doing?
This is Kids Vlog Takeover! Thursday's Kids Vlog Takeover. Today we'll be making fluffy slime. These are the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to be needing food dye of your choice, shaving cream, PVA glue, borax powder, hot water, lotion, containers. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to grab your white PVA school glue. And I'm just going to be opening this up. Okay, so I'm just going to be adding half the bottle into this. Okay.
I think that's enough. No. Can I mix it? Can I have a little bit of more?
Don't worry, do you see how top yours up? This is so hard
It's
to
all
get
like
out.
that.
Are you sure?
No, it reminds me of getting hardness
out. This is so thick. This glue is so thick.
This is constipated glue.
Don't put that.
Ryan, can I mix it?
No, not yet.
Can I put it my spoon in?
Okay, Jethro, do you want some more?
No thanks.
Okay, Jethro doesn't want more.
Can I have more? I have none.
Okay, so once you are satisfied with the amount of glue, and the amount of glue you pour in your bowl, if you aren't using shaving cream, is the amount of glue as the amount of slime that you're going to have. But when you're using shaving cream, your slime will become a little bit more bigger. So that's what we're doing today. So yeah. So when she's done, we're going to be using some shaving cream.
I can get mine.
You can put as much shaving cream as you want in. I'm putting about this much.
Okay, can I have?
You might not want to put too much though.
I want to. Can I feel a little bit?
Just yeah. So next you're gonna want to add some lotion, and I'm just gonna be taking this spoon and putting some lotion in.
That's enough.
Okay. So next, let me get the spoon. Wait. Take that off. Yeah. Now we're gonna add some lotion into yours. Mix that in, boy. Do you want some? You found with that amount of shaving cream. You found with that amount of slime. Do you want some more glue?
No thanks.
Once you are done putting your lotion, your shaving cream, and your glue, it's gonna come to this consistency.
Now we don't have some of that.
Yeah. So then, once you've got the consistency that you basically want your slime
You don't
to be.
need food dye. Food dye is optional.
Yeah. But once you have mixed your slime in, it's gonna have to be like a glossy looking once you've done mixing, and then you're gonna add some food coloring or food dye.
Food dye. What color would you like? I want red. Okay. So I'm putting red in. Light blue.
Yeah. So
I don't want dark blue.
okay.
That's enough.
So when are you guys ready to add the borax?
You can start adding.
Okay, so we're going to be adding borax and hot water. And we're just going to add 1 teaspoon at a time. Jethro, start mixing. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon at a time with mine. I shouldn't be standing up.
I'm adding some more fluffiness. I'm the queen of fluffiness.
Okay, so I'm adding 1 teaspoon. Okay, just wait. Oh my gosh, it's starting to pour.
Awesome.
No, Meeks, you can't put that much shaving cream.
I can. This is a world of amazingness.
Because it's going to be so
Mine is like already.
Okay, start mixing. So it's already starting to come together. I'm pretty happy about that. And you're going to want to add it slowly. Oh my gosh, it's coming together.
And would you
How nice is that looking? That's going to be so nice, guys. Okay. I think I'll add a little bit more shaving cream. Because I want mine to be... Okay, Jethro. Nikki, you'd like to finish the whole container.
Can I have a little bit of shaving cream?
Okay.
This is for me. A little bit more. That's enough.
Okay.
You can add as much shaving cream as you want. That's what I do.
To make it super fluffy.
Okay, now I'm gonna add my borax so that I have no. Dad, feel the shaving cream. I'm gonna add 2.
I'm super excited to see how this turns out. Okay, so Jethro, we're gonna add some more borax to yours.
Okay, so my table.
Okay, start mixing.
Now to put some under the table, Dad.
I'm just gonna be adding some borax until I've got the consistency you want your slime in. So
I know,
it's almost ready to touch.
Yeah, you are literally okay, that's enough.
So yeah. Oh my gosh,
I
it's
love
so
mine.
messy. I'm just gonna wrap that on the table. No guys, okay, come.
Okay, that's
Time
it.
to stop with the shaving cream. Stop with the shaving cream.
The shaving cream is my favorite part out of our can I quickly have a little bit of more
Borax?
You don't have to add borax and stuff. You can also use
Contact solution, but we use borax because it's easier.
and it goes a long way. You don't need to use lots. Mine's like coming apart. Okay, mine is not coming together yet.
Yay, mine's coming together, guys. Look at that. That's almost ready to touch. I'm super excited about this slab.
I'm super excited to touch mine. Mine's not even ready.
So if you want to see the look of what it is when it comes together. Okay, so disclaimer is that you just want to put 1 to 2 teaspoons in hot water of borax. And then you just keep adding how many teaspoons until you've got the consistency of your slime. And add it slowly, so like I'm doing 2 teaspoons at a time because I don't really want to do 3. I don't want to be so daring. So
I have to add 3 because I've got shaving cream. A lot of it.
okay, so my slime's turning out.
Mine needs to touch.
No, you need to add more. Yeah. Okay, so my slime is ready, but I'm just gonna help Jethro mix his. Just wait, Jessie.
Mine is coming together. Mine's coming together. Mine's just really fluffy. And I also
You're gonna start mixing with your hands.
it did come out red.
So once you've got like the consistency of that, you're gonna start mixing with your hands. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun.
I've got mine just feels like shaving cream and borax right now.
Doesn't matter, you just mix.
It does work.
Look how cool this looks, guys. This is the best.
Oh, it's sticky.
Yeah. So it's gonna be sticky at first when you start kneading it with your hands, but you don't want to add more borax, guys. So add until like you feel like you've got enough. Because if you add too much borax, your slime's just gonna be like.
Ryan must have stopped my
Mix, just mix, just mix. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can touch it. So you don't want to add too much borax because otherwise your slime will be as hard as a rock and it won't stretch. You don't want that. So you're gonna
The
want
lotion
to
makes it stretch.
Yeah. So if your slime, if the slime didn't turn out how you wanted it to be, and it wasn't stretchy, add lotion or shaving cream.
Mine is so not ready to touch. Mine's also. Mine's just a whole bunch of shaving cream.
Look how satisfying that is.
How do you take this out? Ran, can I feel?
Just wait, I'm putting this back in my bowl. Okay, so you have to be fast. You have to be fast when you're mixing your slime. So I'm setting my slime aside so I can help Jethro with his. Oh, Jessie, your slime's amazing. So this is Jethro's slime. You don't want that much grip.
Oh my gosh. Mine looks like I've got like like more of a pudding on me.
Keep mix. You need to keep mixing.
I know.
What do you want me to do?
Just put a little bit of borax in here. Okay, here's some more shaving cream.
I'm gonna put a
Not
little
now.
bit more in mine. Jethro, I think is fine.
There's
Yes,
some shaving
yes, it
cream in
is.
there.
Jessie. You just need to mix it. Yours is fine. Okay.
My spoon's full of sugar.
Look how nice this is. It's super stretchy.
Okay, so
Jessie, just put it all.
coming
Take it off your hands. Go
together.
like this. Go like this. Go.
Mine's huge. I'm gonna need 2 containers. Look how big mine is.
Oh my gosh. So this is so nice. Super
This is
stretchy.
Emmy's slime. Emmy's is really
This
stretchy.
is the best
and
slime
really
I've ever
sticky.
made. Thank you so much for watching.
Please subscribe and hit that notification button.
Like the video and comment down below if you'd like to see more First Thursdays Kids Takeover vlogs.
And the slime video.